Check out this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Call today to schedule a test drive.